Good evening, everyone. How you guys doing? Zeliangrong people, how you guys doing? Guys, long time. Are you guys ready to sing with me? I want you guys to sing with me, okay? And see you guys, I just want to say, ay nagtasyendo. Nang sumadayin, ay nagtasyendo. Iyang suhulay. I'm broken with old age. I've seen that they've all changed. The summer passing by, the summer out tonight. But with all that being said, there's someone who's always been there, who never left my side, leaving all the things behind. And she's standing right in front of me with too much self-coffee. There's something about that place that keeps me going. Ay nagtasyende, ay nagtasyende, ay nagtasyende, ay nagtasyende.